Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of Paper Pops. Today we are going to make origami sunglasses. For that, take a paper measuring 26 into 21 centimeters and fold it diagonally across. Press down on the fold so that a good crease is formed. Creases are always important in origami. Next, we are going to fold the other two free ends, the free corners together, and we are pressing down properly so that the crease is formed. Now let's unfold it, and now we have to fold it through the diagonal crease, a straight line which is indicated in the video, so that we'll get two triangles and a line in the middle of the intersecting triangles. Now fold it so that the ends of the line meets together, and fold it once more. And once more. Now fold where the triangle meets the paper, the horizontal paper, which we have folded now. And do the same on the other side too. These are the legs of the sunglasses. Okay, now we are going to fold inward the tip of the triangle just a bit, so that we'll get a flat edge over there instead of a corner. We'll fold on both the triangles, both the sides, and voila, we are done. So if you liked watching my video, if you found it helpful, do like it, subscribe to my channel, and please comment below. Thank you for watching.